Excellency, the President, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Your Excellency, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, the Speaker of the National Assembly, the Chief Justice, all judges of the Supreme Court, the Honorable Attorney General, all Cabinet Secretaries, the Chief of Defense Forces, all county governors, the President of the Court of Appeal and judges present, chairpersons of constitutional commissions and heads of independent offices, all principal secretaries present, the top command of our military and other state security organs, the diplomatic corps, our Masuja present, honored guests, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. This commemoration ceremony is convened in accordance with the presidential proclamation issued on the 25th of August 2025, which formally designated the 27th of August 2025 and every 27th of August thereafter as Katiba Day. Although Katiba Day has been declared a working day, Your Excellency directed all government institutions across the three arms of government and the two levels of governance, including schools and other learning institutions, to organize, participate in, and promote civic duties or activities that are geared towards enhancing constitutional awareness and civic responsibility across the nation. In honor of this proclamation, we are gathered here today for the inaugural Katiba Day Summit. This summit brings together distinguished participants, including the Masuja wa Katiba, the heroes of our constitutional journey, members of the National Executive, leaders of Parliament and the judiciary, county governors, holders of independent offices, chairpersons and commissioners of constitutional commissions, members of the diplomatic corps, chairpersons and chief executive officers of state corporations, representatives of the business community, the Interfaith Council, civil society organizations, and representatives from professional bodies across the country. I confirm that indeed we have the representation of all these stakeholders present, and therefore we are duly constituted to progress this commemoration. Accordingly, it is now my distinct honor and high privilege to officially call this national ceremony to order as we mark the first Katiba Day. On this very date, in the year 2010, the people of Kenya turned a defining chapter in the history of our nation. We gather here not only to commemorate the moment, but to reflect upon it and to rededicate ourselves to the covenant that redefined our collective destiny as a nation, a covenant that binds past, present, and future generations in pursuit of inclusive development, justice, equity, and shared prosperity for all. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, the golden thread that binds these generations together is the enduring state and the indomitable spirit of our people, as well as in our national symbols. Article 9 of our Constitution defines the national symbols of the Republic of Kenya as the national flag, the national anthem, the coat of arms, and the public seal. These symbols are not just images, sounds, or instruments. They are sacred emblems of our unity, our independence, and our sovereignty. They represent the authority of the state and the shared identity of the Kenyan people, both within our borders and around the world. As a solemn reminder of the responsibility carried by those entrusted with public service in all the arms of government, and to formally begin this historic celebration, we shall now witness the ceremonial presentation of the following instruments: the original copy number 1 of the Constitution of Kenya, which was assented to by the third President of the Republic, His Excellency President Mwai Kibaki on this date 15 years ago. The national flag first hoisted at independence in the year 1963. The original musical score of the national anthem is approved by the cabinet and played at independence, the coat of arms, and finally, the public seal. The copy of the Constitution will be presented by the Honorable Attorney General, whose office is constitutionally mandated to promote and uphold the rule of law and to protect the public interest. The remaining national instruments will be presented with honor by the Kenya Defense Forces, the dedicated protectors of our sovereignty. Your Excellency, sir, distinguished guests,